In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp tasks to Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly get your task data out of ClickUp and into a spreadsheet where you can analyze, share, or report on it. First, start by opening ClickUp in your browser and navigating to the workspace and project where your tasks live. Make sure you're in the correct space and folder so you don't accidentally export the wrong list. Once you're there, look for the list that contains the tasks you want to export. This is usually shown in the sidebar or at the top of your project view. Next, click on the list to open it. This switches you into the list view, which is the format ClickUp uses when exporting tasks. It's a good idea to quickly scan your list at this point and confirm that all the tasks you want are visible. If you're using filters or custom views, remember that ClickUp will only export what's currently shown in the list, so adjust those if needed. Now, with your list open, look towards the top right area of the screen for the main options or settings menu related to this list. This is often represented by 3 dots or a similar icon. Click on that highlighted menu to reveal more actions you can take on this list. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options for managing and sharing your data. Here, you want to look for the export or download option. Click on the highlighted export option. Depending on your ClickUp layout and plan, this may mention exporting as CSV or Excel. Both work fine because CSV files open easily in Excel and behave like standard spreadsheets. After selecting the export option, another small panel or dialog will appear with the available export formats. Click on the highlighted option for Excel or CSV that best matches what you need. At this point, ClickUp will prepare your file in the background. For large lists, this can take a moment, so just give it a bit of time if you have a lot of tasks. Once the export is ready, your browser will either download the file automatically or prompt you to choose where to save it. Click on the highlighted download area if you're asked to confirm. When the file has finished downloading, open it in Excel. You'll now see your ClickUp tasks laid out in rows and columns, ready for sorting, filtering, reporting, or sharing with your team outside of ClickUp.